This is Chris Kell with just a quick overview of your fitness program for this cycle. Now the goals for this cycle are to focus more on heavy weightlifting and kind of developing the strength and muscle mass necessary to really see some changes in definition. All right. With that said, the first thing that we're going to look at is our fitness calendar here, kind of what we look to expect on a weekly basis. And for our 3-day clients, the recipe is pretty simple. You're going to work out at Peak Fitness 3 days a week, and then we ask that you do your posture homework at home, which we'll get into in a second. On your off days, you're going to do our interval cardio routine. We're really focusing more on kind of short bursts of high energy stuff this month. So instead of like longer runs, we really want to focus on kind of developing that side of our cardiovascular system, kind of our ability to really burst into a short sprint, that kind of thing. And on Saturday really is the only time that we call for a long jog and run to maintain that. But you'll notice that on your workout days, we ask that you do your posture homework, which we'll go over, and then the mobility routine is just standard foam rolling routine on Tuesday and Thursday. For our 2-day clients, it's exactly the same thing. The only difference is that on your 3rd day, on Friday, you do the off-day routine that we've kind of highlighted in this. All right, now based upon nutrition, we just look at either build or chisel, and this just gives you an idea of, based upon our carb cycling approach, if you're looking to build muscle, we've kind of done that for on your weight training days. You're going to have a high carb day, whereas on your kind of cardio days you have a low carb day. So we've included that schedule for each goal, whereas for chisel you're looking to lose fat, you just have a low carb day or a medium carb day on workout days, and then low on Tuesday on non-workout days also. Now just kind of going down the list here, the posture homework is a new thing that we've added to our off-day program. With the posture homework, I've just given you basically 4 to 5 things to do. It's a little bit more manageable than going through the entire foam rolling routine or the entire mobility routine. But if you have issues with your lower back, with your knees, with your hips, for whatever particular area, then I want you to choose one of these. All right. And for individuals with issues with running, with your feet, if you pronate, this foot and ankle focus is what we want to look at. You can click on each exercise, just press Control, and that'll kind of bring up a demonstration of each thing. For individuals with back pain and issues with your hips, you're going to choose the hip focus and just focus on those 4 things. And then for those with shoulder problems, with pain in your upper back, that kind of thing, we have our upper focus. So just choose one of those. And what I say is focus on just doing around 10 minutes per day. I mean, literally set your clock, run through this and get done as much as you can. At least in that time you did something, and you should be able to knock most of this out. So that's my hope for you, that you do that, and it's just something a little bit more accessible. Now with our cardiovascular program, all we've done is highlighted the instructions on the particular routine we want you to do. This month it's interval cardio. All right, we have the full foam rolling routine for warm up. And for those that are, not 2-day clients, we've just highlighted the exercises that we want you to perform as a circuit for your off-day program. This is what we would do on Fridays at Peak Fitness. All you do is you perform these as a circuit as instructed as well. We've also included a workout chart so you can log your numbers and just keep track of things, which we definitely want you to do. And then a video tutorial on just, off-day things, on how to do a proper push-up and that kind of thing. But we're really looking to step things up this month. I hope that helps.